Hi champs, it's Miss Pullman again. I want to show you how to make an owl out of a paper towel roll. No, a toilet paper roll. So first you're going to just turn down the top of it like this. Okay? And then these are going to be the ears. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now the rest of it, I'm going to move my camera like this. Okay, so now we're going to draw. I'll show you. I'm going to draw on here. Maybe I'll do it on this side. I'm going to start to draw the face. So the eyebrows. Now I'm drawing the eyes. You're going to love it. You're going to think to yourself, what can't she do? There's the eyes. The beak. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so now we're going to do the wings. Whoops. There's the wings. Do this side. Now I'm just outlining the wings, and then I'm going to color it in. This poor little guy has lopsided wings because I'm trying to do this really quickly. Okay, so now we'll give him some feathers in the middle, and then he needs his feet on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to color him in. What should we call him? Do you have a name? Okay, my marker's not working too well. I guess I need to buy some. Now the stores are starting to open up. We can maybe get more materials, right, champs? Do you guys have materials at home? Do you have enough at home? Are you running out of pencils and paper? What do you guys have at home? Do you have crayons and colored pencils? What is this thing? The gel. Sharpie gel. You ever seen that before? Oh, it's weird. It's all sticky. There you go. I have my highlighter. I'm gonna color that guy in there. This color, man, you're gonna do a better job than me because you're gonna take your time, but I'm doing it fast so that you can see how I do it. See him? He's cute. She, he, I don't know. What do you think he should be? Fred, Sally, Sam, Harry, Johnny, Cranky, Happy. Try this gel thing again. It's so weird. It's so, like, I don't know. It's like almost a crayon when it goes on. Never used it before. I didn't even know I had it in my drawer. I don't know where it came from, but here it is on my owl. Okay, I guess I'll do his eyes yellow too. I'm kind of out of colors in my homestead. Okay, here's Mr. Owl, Mr. and Mrs. Owl. Voila, there's your owl. Can you see? What do you think about that? It's a quick craft. You're welcome.